As the new dispensation in West Indies cricket moves full speed ahead with their new coach, new captains, new selection panel, and a newish team heading off to the subcontinent for assignments against Afghanistan and India. But I want to throw a spanner in the works this evening. People raising the roof about the reappointment of Phil Simmons, who was unceremoniously fired after disagreements with the Dave Cameron board about the non-selection of senior players. And while Simmons might have had a case then, now, 3 years going 4 years later, most of those senior players are either past their best or retired. So Brother Phil won't have the senior players excuse this time around. He will be left with a bare cupboard in terms of talent. And I want to tell you, despite all the hullabaloo, Phil Simmons' record as West Indies coach was very ordinary. Outside of winning the T20 World Cup in 2016, his record in ODI cricket reads 7 games played, 3 wins and 4 defeats for a 42.8 win percentage. His test record reads 12 tests played, 1 win, 7 defeats and 4 drawn results for an 8.3 win percentage. So before you all go declaring a regional public holiday and state of emergency for the reappointment of Phil Simmons, West Indian cricket fans, please, go easy. You all need to check yourself before you wreck yourself.